What is up, boys? Boys? Yeah, boys. Like 2 days ago, at the end of the video, I'll show the actual photos. Like 2 days ago, like a very bad rainstorm happened and the entire streets got flooded. So I'm doing a vlog of just looking around and see if I can find anything from the flood. Alright, let's go. Let me give you some context. So you see that swing? You see that swing over there? Well, the said it was floating on the water. That's how high. More context. Kids were on their like swimming around in this. And by the way, it's sewage water. So hopefully they don't get parasites. I think I found something. Wait, so Blurry, I think I found something. It's a chair. It's a chair. Let's go see this. Ah, frick, there's spiders. Oh, hell nah, no, hell nah. Oh, hell nah, no. This is why I wear boots. Bro. Oh, frick. But why is there an apple? What the hell? What the hell? Bro, there's apples! Why is there so many apples? So, over here, there's people working on it. So, and I found this cooler. That cooler was all the way over there. I think so. That cooler was all the way over there. I am walking through there because it's completely mud. Completely. More apples! More apples! Yep, that's something else too. That's cat litter. Great. Yeah, the entire thing basically flooded. The entire The entire park flooded. It was like insane. It was up to my knees. It was high. Very high. Like adults, it was up to their knees. Why is it so? Bro, I was gonna show the view! Look at this hill. I know it has nothing to do with it, but just look at this hill. I'm gonna run down it. Because why not? And these boots. Ow, my knee. Frick. Okay. So, I think I see something else. What the hell? It's water. Oh my god. Water. And a stone. Oh, I thought it was stone. Styrofoam? What the heck? Where is the styrofoam from? Jesus Christ. That's a basketball. Yeah. I should get back to my house. It's dying out here. It's pretty nice. Jesus Christ. Bro, I gotta be living in Alabama for mushrooms to be growing. What the hell? Bro, look at this. I have to be in Alabama or something, bro. Look at this. I don't know if he's air drying his car or just wants someone to break into it. Yeah, this is like a couple days after the flood. So, yeah. So, it seems bad already, but it's whatever. But I think that'll be the end of the video because I'm not walking around the entire park trying to find like some gold or something. But what the hell is that? Oh, that's a butterfly. But yeah. After I say bye, I'm gonna show the before and after pictures. All right, bye. I show the before and after pictures. Actually, it's kind of cool. Actually, it's kind of cool. actually looks kind of cool.